Introducing the higher HD HP80A1. This 8 kilogram heat pump dryer has some fantastic features. With its heat pump condensing technology, this dryer is all about fabric care. It has an impressive 16 dry programs to match all of your drying needs, including baby care, delicate, bedding and towels. Its features include sensor drying to prevent over and under drying, a reverse tumble to reduce tangling, and an iron ready option for quick and perfect results every time. It also has a delay start as well as an anti-wrinkle function. With an energy rating of 8 stars, this really is a product caring for the environment. This higher HD HP80A1 heat pump dryer also comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer care.